Make a great choice today with the 2019 Audi Q8. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, Audi Connect satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.